How do you put an image to be behind text in Google Slides? It's pretty simple. It's just a matter of order. In Google Slides, you could put multiple elements together in one slide. And of course, some elements may be blocking other elements. Like this example, I have this text and there is a picture of banana in the front of this text, but I want to put this text to be at front. So how to do that? Well, you could have multiple elements, more than 2 elements. This one that I'm showing you is just very simple, but the basic is the same. If there are 2 options, you could put this text to the front, or you could also just set this picture to be positioned at the back of the text. The result will be the same. So let's try the first method, which is putting the text into the front of this picture. Now I'm going to just select the text. I'm going to select this border text box, and I'm going to right click on it, order, and you can either choose bring front or bring forward. Bring forward is basically just bringing the content or the object one step ahead, while bring to front is bringing at the very front of the layers in your slide. If you want to put it at the very front and you have multiple objects in your presentation, then you want to choose this option, but sometimes this option also works. So let me choose this option, and you will see that this text is now being relocated to the front of this picture. But let's try the other method. I can put this text, I'm going to right click and send to backwards or send to back, and there you go. The result is the same, but the approach is different. So you can choose whichever method that you feel is the best in your case.